My name is MJ and this is Mojave Mud. My skin has completely transformed by adding Mojave Mud into my routine.
I used to have to buy all these different products for acne and blackheads and clogged pores and rough patches. Everything is taken care of with just this one product using one ingredient. Pure calcium bentonite clay is a game changer. The time that I've spent on my skin has gone down. The money that I spend on my skin has gone down. The results I've gotten back have been incredible. By just using Mojave Mud, I am so much happier with my skin than I've ever been before.
I love our packaging. Look at that.
You can apply your mask with your mud spoon or your fingers. I like to use a little both. Usually I do a mask about once a week. When my skin needs a little more love, when it's struggling a little bit, I'll do it twice a week. It's very cooling, helps with skin puffiness. All right, so I'm gonna keep it on for about 15, maybe 20 minutes. My skin's not too sensitive. All right, we'll check back then.
One thing that I love about Mojave Mud is how natural it is. Made up of just 2 ingredients with amazing benefits. I have never seen anything like this. I can trust Mojave Mud. I know that its ingredients will do me good and are good for my skin. There is magic in simplicity. So it's been about 20 minutes. I'm ready to take it off. It's really nice because it turns back into that clay when it's wet. It's very moisturizing. My skin feels so soft.
My face feels so clean. It seems brighter to me already. Oh my goodness, that dullness I felt with my skin is completely eliminated. This product is amazing. My skin has transformed in minutes. I don't have to wait days to see this. This is why I love Mojave Mud. No mask compares.